Find yourself a nice comfortable place where you can sit down or lay back. I want you to start with your eyes open and just pick one thing in front of you and really fix your gaze there. So really staring at something in front of you, just one thing, anything, and really stare at it, holding your gaze and really focusing in. Initiating this really powerful creative part of you, your conscious awareness. Hold that gaze for a few more moments, and when you're ready, just allow your eyes to gently close. And now with your eyes closed, focus with that same intensity onto the inside of your eyelids and hold your gaze. Notice what you can see there on the inside of your eyelids. Sometimes you can see the memory of what you were just staring at in negative. Sometimes you can see areas of light and dark, floating colours or just blackness. But become very aware of being present. So right here in this moment, just you on the inside of your eyelids, taking control in this very new and powerful way. So ready now, maintaining that gaze. Just begin to allow your body to relax. So concentrate for a moment on the top of your head and allow the muscles there to relax. Just feel them releasing out across your scalp, down the back of your head and flowing down across your forehead. Feel the muscles here lengthen and relax. You're creating a lovely sense of calm and just allowing this calm drift down through your facial muscles, releasing and relaxing the muscles. Just as you lay your awareness on them, just feel them relax and release. Your cheeks, your mouth, your jaw, just feeling relaxed and heavy. And allow this gentle sense of calm to flow down through your neck and out across the top of your shoulders. Just feel your shoulders just dropping down away from your ears. Your muscles releasing as you drift your attention down now through your upper arms, through your elbows, right down through your wrists and hands, and arriving there at the tips of your fingers. Notice how you experience this flow of calm that's circulating now right to your fingertips. Witness the power that you have over the way that your body feels. Focus now on your breath. And as you breathe in, notice how this same flow of calm is streaming down into the centre of your body, filling your body with a safe sense of relaxation. And as you exhale, you can feel your body becoming heavier and more relaxed. So just notice this for the next few exhalations, that every exhalation leaves your body feeling heavier and more comfortable. Feel your body sinking down into the surface that's supporting it. And bringing your attention now to the muscles in your back. Allow them to release and become comfortable. Flow that sense of calm down through to your lower back, through your hips, and feel it drifting into your main thighs. Those long muscle fibres now just releasing and relaxing. Flowing down through your knees and calves, your ankles and heels, right through to the tips of your toes. And witness again here the circulation of calm that you have created. You've created a safe sense of relaxation and calm throughout your whole body, from the crown of your head to the tips of your fingers and toes. It's a feeling of almost drifting off, but actually being very awake and focused and tuning into the sound of my voice so that I can guide you to create new data. The data that is of your choice, which will overwrite and update your chosen subconscious program, storing this new version so that it's ready to be triggered at the appropriate time without you even thinking about it with your consciousness. Soon you will be totally relaxed and you will actually enter a state that we call hypnosis. And this is a very pleasant feeling. You'll find you'll really enjoy it. There's no such thing as an actual hypnotized feeling. It's a feeling of calm, a feeling of quietness, like a stillness on the inside. And you'll find that after you've experienced this feeling here today, that you will continue to experience it for ages afterwards. A really good feeling, a feeling of inner calm, a feeling of being relaxed on the inside. So just stay with my voice, listen to my voice, and let yourself go down even more deeply into relaxation as I count down from 10 all the way down to 0. And as I count down, I want you just to imagine yourself walking down a beautiful wide stairway, a stairway of calm, where each number down is a step deeper down into calm for you. So stay tuned into my voice and allow yourself to sink deeper and deeper down with each number. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, all the way down to 0. And now you've totally relaxed and you can completely let go. This is the state called hypnosis. It's a very pleasant, calm feeling where your body is safe and relaxed and your subconscious as part of your body is wide open, very relaxed and ready to be programmed. And your conscious awareness is powerfully awake and focused. So as you remain there now, so relaxed, just notice how your arms and legs feel heavy and comfortable. Notice how your breathing is steady and even. Each breath just reinforcing this lovely, relaxed state of hypnosis. Notice how you feel calm and relaxed. Notice any emotions that you're experiencing at this moment, really tuning into them. Any emotions, any feelings in your body. And as you notice these things about your body and your emotions, start to become aware of this part of you that notices how your body feels. Notice how it's separate from your body and from your emotions. Almost like a silent witness. A witness that is ready to take control. So just spend a few moments here now, just being right in this present moment, witnessing how your body feels, witnessing any emotions that you're experiencing. And as you do this, experience an overwhelming feeling of peace and tranquility, of happiness and joy, allowing yourself to really experience this moment. Because from now on, you're going to find that you experience an amazing feeling of pride in the way that you've taken control of your thoughts, Because every time you create a thought that makes you feel anxious or unhappy, you're going to find it easy to notice that thought and how it's made you feel. And as you interrupt this thought, you are becoming that silent witness that is taking control. You experience the most amazing feeling of peace in your mind and pride in yourself for the way that you have interrupted your negative thinking patterns. You gain a wonderful sense of achievement just for noticing, just for interrupting, for taking control. And it feels amazing to be in control of your thinking. And from now on, you find that your mind is ready to create positive thoughts easily, to create an expectation of life being the way that you want it to be. A life where you feel confident, happy and proud. A life where you're in control of the way that you feel. A life that you are ready to enjoy. And every day, in every single possible way, you're feeling better and better and better about yourself. Every day now, you're feeling fitter and healthier, happier, more confident. And this is because the more you practice being confident and in control, the easier it becomes. And being in this wonderful, relaxed state of hypnosis is the perfect time to rehearse any life situations the way you want them to be, or to give instructions to your body for it to do the things you want it to do. So imagine yourself now in your chosen situation, where you would expect to start coughing or sniffing. This time though, you feel confident and in control as you imagine yourself there. Really settle into the feeling of being there. Become that actor in your imagination. Use all your senses. Notice where you are. Notice who else is there. What can you hear? What are you thinking about? Really tune into your body. Notice that you feel calm and safe. Tune into that now. Your body feels still and your breathing is steady and even, and you have a firm sense of internal power. Your whole body feels relaxed, so just feel into that now. Notice the level of relaxation that you're experiencing in your body right now. Notice that your throat feels comfortable and at peace. You can swallow easily if you want to. Your nasal passages feel at ease, clear, a sense of stillness in your nose and your throat. And you can easily continue in this scene, feeling confident and successful, with no interruptions from your old habit, a habit that you have now left in the past. And you feel a sense of power as you realise that dropping this habit has been so incredibly easy. So just as you're lying here so relaxed, just run through this scene again, or embellish it, or some similar scenes. Allowing yourself to really enjoy the freedom, the peace, the confidence. Really cementing this new version, giving it plenty of new data. Really feel into the physical sensations that you're creating in your nose and your throat. Clearly associate them with this sort of situation. So you're creating now a new trigger where these situations will trigger these calm, peaceful sensations in your body. Notice how you feel. Notice how wonderful you feel. Notice how happy and confident, so proud that you've handled things so brilliantly. It's that feeling where you can achieve anything you put your mind to. Just feel into it for a moment. Acknowledge that feeling. Acknowledge what you are experiencing. And now that you've created this in a controlled and confident way, your subconscious has uploaded it as a real experience, stored away now for you to build on. And the next time you face a similar scenario, you'll notice that things are different. When this program is triggered next time, you'll actually notice how you feel more confident and relaxed, almost waiting for the normal feelings to kick in. But don't test this, just go with this new happy feeling. Allow yourself to enjoy what you are experiencing, what you have created. And from now on, you find that your mind is ready to create positive thoughts easily, to create an expectation of life being the way that you want it to be, rather than the way you fear it might be. You are ready to enjoy this life because you are consciously creating it. You are developing a powerful internal feeling of control, and this enables you to boost your self-confidence as you realise and accept that you are this amazing person who is capable and efficient, who's capable of being in control, who's ready to see the positive in situations, always expecting the best outcomes in life. You are this amazing person that chooses their thoughts, that is in control of their life, respected and admired by the people around you. And you'll find now that you are much calmer and more relaxed. This means that you're able to think more clearly and concentrate more easily. You can see things in their true perspective without magnifying your difficulties, without ever letting them get out of proportion. Every day now, you are emotionally much calmer, more settled and much more relaxed, both mentally and physically. And as you remain more and more relaxed each day, so you find that you have much more confidence in yourself, much more confidence in your ability to do things, the things that you have to do every day, and much more confidence to do the things that you want to do, without fear of embarrassment, without fear of judgment, just confident that you will always succeed. And in a moment when you open your eyes, you will feel in control of your life, and this will make you feel very happy and proud. You're going to have a wonderful feeling of pride in yourself. In a moment, I'm going to count to 5, and when I get to 5, you're going to feel wide awake and ready to take control of your life, taking with you this lovely calm and relaxed feeling that you've created. So 1, 2, feeling more awake now. 3, 4, lighter and brighter, and 5, fully awake and just opening your eyes when you're ready.